Hello everyone. Thank you so much once again. We are live. We'll perform live trades again as we do every day, every weekdays, most of the time. So things were things went well yesterday as we were just as I just made. Uh, I performed like I think six trades yesterday, and all of them went very well. So all of my even my stuck trades got gave me just small amount of profit because guys, the BTC just got a little bit upside movement. So I will show you my transaction history later on today. uh, so I have made almost $300 yesterday again. So yeah, small amounts every day, just trying to grab small little amount and trying to increase my capital slowly and gradually. So yeah, that's what's going on. One of the trade is not in the good shape. It stuck before like now almost 10 days. It just near to 2% of my capital right now. I just don't want to close that trade. So it's already on the lower side of its price. I will do that, but I will do that later on maybe. Okay. So what was the reason? What was the strategy yesterday? Performing a few trades. I just took all of the trades following by the momentum. So I just try to grab the momentum, like it, uh, where the price is going. It's whether it's going up or it's going down. So just try to grab the momentum, and things went well. I will share you the results of yesterday's trade. Even I have sent all of the screenshots in my WhatsApp channel as well, so you guys can have a look over there. Moreover, I think I have just done something. All right. Okay, let it go for now. So yes, so all of my trades I just performed. I will show you the screen later on, just in a while. So I'm just going to tell you how much trades I did yesterday. One, two, three, four, five. Yeah, I took five trades yesterday, and all of them went very well. So all of them were closed in positive. Not $300 actually. I have just made $220, somewhere around there. So, okay, better than nothing. So day before yesterday, I have made $3,350. Okay, good enough. So yes, now what's going on in the market? Let's talk about the market first. Then we will uh, keep continue talking, taking few trades. So as of today, 22nd of January, the crypto market is a bit relief kind of rally today. It just gained a little bit momentum on the upside. Well, the week was very tense because of geopolitical issues. You guys understand that. After that, BTC dipped just around like $87,000, which was like very and it's a good thing. Today BTC just claimed back to $90,000, which is a good thing, which just pull up the market and gain a little bit bullish momentum. Okay, that's a good thing. And BTC is just hovering around to $90,000, which is a good sign for long term and for long position holders as well. And Ethereum is just around $3,000, 3,005, $3,015 somewhere around there. Sol is also moved up. Sol went to $124 lower side, and gained the momentum and got, right now it's trading around $130. Okay, good thing. And yeah, so this is the thing. Today, moreover, uh, I will just let you know, guys, this live session is just for information and entertainment purposes. Don't follow my trades. I perform trades every day, but please don't follow my trades. Do your own research while entering into any trade. Uh, you can see my strategy. If you're following me from few days, you have seen like I have closed all of my days in positive, which is a good sign. Um, thank you so much for your likes and loves, by Blaze. It's a great honor for me. Um, so all of my days last almost a month went very well overall so far. So on the other hand, let's talk about. Let me check. Okay, so let's get to my screen. Thank you so much for your uh, love. Uh, thank you so much. Thank you. It's an honor for me. Um, okay, let's talk about the market right now. What's going on right now, and how we are going to take the position. First, we will just have a look on. As you guys know, I already have like few favorite coins, which I'm trading from last few. Uh, yeah. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for so much hearts. Okay. Um, so Bonk, we were trading Bonk, and Bonk gained a good potential. Bonk is right now, it's on like on the edge of like pulling back. If everything goes right, I am going to open a position, but just waiting for the confirmation. Um, I will take the trade. I will try to perform the short-term scalping with the minimum leverage and the with minimum margin, of course, because the market is volatile, of course, nowadays. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Really, it's an honor for me. Um, so without confirmation, I'm not going to take any trade. So today again, I will take the trade following by the momentum. So with the momentum, we will move. We will try to take the trade, but on the other hand, we will also consider to see the RSI as well. So RSI is one of the major indicator for short-term scalping, especially. Uh, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you. Might Blaze, you are champ. Thank you. Okay. So yes, that's the thing what we are just okay. I have just selected few coins which I'm going to perform the trades again today. Astra is one of them. Astra just went a little bit on the higher side today. But without confirmation, we are not going to take any trade. On the other hand, Astra, Bonk, ARKM is also at the good position right now. We can test the ARKM as well. On the other hand, what else? Bonk FHE. FHE had a very bad day today. And Truth, yeah, we how can we forget the Truth? So Truth got a very good momentum today. So Truth just retraced back its like previous positions, but it's already on the lower side of its price. But no, right now it's not the right time to take the position because it's just moving up, and RSA is also not in favor of taking any position. We cannot take the risk. We don't want to take the risk today. So what I will do is I will just try to just get the right position uh, in front of you guys, and we'll try to close all of my positions in front of you guys, so you guys will have a very better understanding how one of the guy was just asking me what's your strategy, how you're taking the trade, how did you open the short position or the long position. So I just mentioned like this is the strategy, this was the reason I just opened the position. um Thank you, Ajaz brother. Assalamu alaikum. Walaikum assalam. How are you doing? Good. uh So yes, uh, I think I just need few more viewers, so I will show you my yesterday's results. And if somebody wants to see the results day before yesterday, so I will show the results of my previous trades as well. Great. H bar, Zach, brother, let me check. Let me check H bar. We can just check. I think I have just seen this one before. Yeah. I will show you the screen just in a while. Oh, HBOR is also just gaining the momentum, but for short period of time, it's already on the lower side of its price. So taking a chance opening the long position can be a good option, but if we see the overall momentum, let me show you the screen. Okay, let me share you the screen. I think let me share my screen, the bigger screen. Actually, my system has a little bit issue. Either I can charge my system or I can show you my screen. So that's the issue. I think I need to change my system right now. Okay, so let me show you my screen. Let me set up my YouTube screen as well first. So later on, okay. Uh, all right, guys. I hope you guys can see my screen right now on YouTube as well. Okay. Okay, guys. So I think I should drag it a little bit more. Okay. So let me show you my screen signals. Uh, brother, I'm just a little bit confused because the market is just moving very, where is it? Yeah, market has a very big momentum, volatility in the market you guys have witnessed like few days back. So I think this week is also not good for the signals, I must say. But the trades I performed every day, all of the trades goes very well. So I hope you guys can see my screen. If not, just think this slide is just disturbing us a little bit. Mm, okay, I hope so. That's not the right. Okay, can you pick up? Sorry, I don't understand. Uh, sure, brother. Actually, I have just I have a WhatsApp, not group. Actually, it's a channel I have mentioned in the screen. Oh, sorry, in the bio. You can click on that and join. You can join my channel. I am just sending all of my trades results in that, so you can check it over there. If you want to see the result, you can just check it over there. Moreover, if you want to see the yesterday's trade results, this is my live account. I cannot manipulate that. So one of the guy was asking, show us your results. So I just want to show you the trade. I'm not making much money, but all of my trades, these five trades I took yesterday. One was stuck day before yesterday. I just closed that one on just $4 positive, but it went up. But okay, but still, I was happy. It went wrong before a day before. So technically four of my trades, I just took four of my trades, and all of them I have just made like $60, $63, $53, $51. So $220, almost to above a little bit more than $220 yesterday. And if you want to see a day before yesterday, that's 21 and that's 20. So I would love to share you the results of 20 as well, a day before yesterday. So these are the results just to end $12, $61, $92. Oh, this one, the one trade, and yeah, just $70, 20 date, $30. I think these trades I performed in the live session as well. And there were a few more. If you want to see, then the order center will be open, and that will be a new window. Okay, let me open that for you. Okay, I think you guys can see it better. So yeah, for this is for this week actually. So these are the results. Uh, these are the day before yesterday's results. Page one, page two. Okay, 20 day, 2020, 20. Yeah. So top two trades were I just performed yesterday, day before yesterday, and that's 19. Another day before that, 72, 64, 41, 68. $10. I'm not making big in any trade, but still okay. Uh, uh, okay. So this is 1 week result. So the $112, not even a single trade just went wrong. So things were in my hand. Why is it happening? Because I'm not taking chance actually. I'm not taking chance. I am just trying to play safe. So because if you have a bigger margin, bigger bigger capital, so you can play very safely. But if you don't have the bigger capital, then you need to think about it and take your trades accordingly. So my trades are performing well for now. Okay, so H bar, you were just talking about if we see the 1 hour candle, overall momentum of this coin is totally bearish. But if we see, we can do a little bit short-term scalping in this one, uh, following by the RSIC. Right now, it's the right time to enter the position. We can take a chance to open the position. Uh, should I take the position? RSI is 7.7, which is a very good. Uh, so I'm taking almost 1% of my capital, so which is still like more than $300. So that's what I do actually, Lukman brother. Actually, I'm not sending. Sorry, Shwe brother, you're right. I'm just not sending any signals for now. Actually, I don't want anyone to lose money actually because there is a big volatility in the market. Maybe I will start doing that from tomorrow, hopefully. Um, thank you, brother. Thank you, Zakuta, brother. Okay. Um. Okay. So now, if you see, this is the momentum. That's what we would just want to catch. Uh, this is 5 minute time frame. We can take a chance in this one. Uh, but all we need is a confirmation, just a confirmation. I'm just planning to make a group so people can communicate in there. But I think it's too early to do that. I will choose like few of my the people who are just trading on this platform already. Maybe I will, and later on I'm going to start copy trading as well. If somebody don't want to trade by himself, so yes, uh, okay, things are this trade. I just want to grab this trade actually. Okay, so all right. I'm just what I will do is I will catch the momentum actually in this trade. I will open a long position. I'm not opening the short position from here. I will take a chance of opening the long position. But what would be my strategy? I will tell you my strategy later on when I will open the long position. But 5 minute time frame. Let's. Uh, sorry, I don't understand, Mary. Okay. All right. Okay. Okay. This is H bar. H bar. One of our follower viewer just asked me to tell about that. So I will take a chance of opening the long position in this one. Uh, if we do a little bit back test, uh, I will try to grab the momentum. I will show you what I have done yesterday in like I think 2 or 3 trades. Okay, so this is the next candle. This is the fall. Uh, okay. this kind of fall I need. Just when the momentum will shift, I will just open the long position and will put my stop loss uh, on top of my break even. That's what I will do. I want this candle to be in green, and that's the 5 minute time frame. I will take the trade uh, BTC. Let's talk about BTC. Okay, BTC for today it showed a good momentum today. If nothing big is happening in the market, there is a weekend upcoming up like after a day, and Trump is not saying anything bad about anything, about the market, and and the Greenland issue is there. There's a uh, tariff war is also going on for the few, I think, European countries. So, which was not a good sign, but if everything goes right, BTC will cross 91,000. It can go up to 95, not up to 95,000, maybe 92, 93,000 by the end of this week. That's what I think. If if everything goes well, if everything goes well by the weekend, and if it closes down below $90,000, then I think it will stay at that mark. I think that's what I think. Okay. So, mm, there is a resistance support at this mark. You guys see it's just facing a little bit support in this candle. Uh, if this candle closes in green, I will open the long position in the very next candle. And if this candle closes in red, then I will wait for another candle. That's a 5 minute time frame candle. So I think we should wait for the right confirmation. If you understand where the market is just going to move, you can take the chance. Yeah. Okay. I want this candle to be closed in green. Later on, we can take a chance to open a long position from here in the next candle. Without confirmation, I'm not going to perform any trade today. I don't want to take a chance. Uh, Walaikum salam, Sardar brother. How are you doing? Good. Yeah, so far I have not opened any trade, but I'm just waiting for this one to get the confirmation. Yesterday went well. I have shared my results of, I think, majorly four trades I have performed yesterday, and I have just shared all of the results in my WhatsApp channel as well. All of them went well. I made small profit, but okay, good enough. Okay, so momentum is not cleared yet. We cannot take the chance from right in this candle. Uh, okay. I have just let me just add this one in favorites. Okay, this one is added in favorites as well. We can see another opportunity if we can get. Okay, this is the opportunity. We can just grab this one and this candle. I think the momentum is just confirmed here actually. Okay, let's assume like. Yeah, thank you, brother. Uh, let's assume the momentum is shifted in this kind of this time frame, and I have just opened a position. I'm not doing it. I just want to show you guys. I have just okay. I have just took the position right now, long position, and putting my stop loss at my break even. If the market goes a little bit up, where I will put my stop loss, when I will put my stop loss when the price touches to this the previous candle stop. Then I will put my stop loss at my break even. Right now, I'm not putting any stop loss. So we will see if things will be in the favor or not. Right now, not taking the position. 5 minute and 15 minute. 5 minute is good enough. Okay. No, it's falling down. Okay, okay, okay. I have not opened any position right now. BTC is falling down. What's going on with BTC? BTC, BTC, BTC. Yeah, BTC is like going crazy. Okay, what was that? Bonk. Okay. This candle should be closed above above the bottom of this top, this candle, this green candle. That means the momentum is just shifting and taking a chance to go up. Okay, we are assuming for this candle. Maybe things will be in the favor. Okay. If you guys want to join this exchange Lbank, you can click on the link in my bio. So from there you can join my WhatsApp channel as well as if you want to get yourself registered with this trade. There's my referral link. You can join with that, and you will be given a 50 free USDT uh, coupon, which you can place a trade in futures, and you can make the profit. On top of that, that's the amount you can even withdraw in your bank as well if you make some. So that's a free money. You can just take the chance just by getting yourself registered with this exchange. So yeah, that's a good opportunity. Okay, okay, okay. Waiting for the next candle. If this candle is just going down below this candle, then I might have to the wrong trade. Yeah, okay. But I think this is the right time to open the position, but not taking a chance without the confirmation. RSA is still in favor. You see, RSA is 25, somewhere around there. So we can take a chance. Uh, mm, Long or short from here. If we follow the momentum, taking the short position from here or even the long position, there is no confirmation yet. I just want to grab the momentum. Now the momentum is bearish, just in the 5 minute time frame. I just want to grab the bullish momentum here in the 5 minute time frame. That could be risky, but without confirmation, not taking any chance. I have not opened any position today yet. So yes, maybe. So what do you think? Like, what do you suggest from here? That's not the right confirmation. Okay. What's going on with the other one? What was that? H bar. Yeah, see, H bar is just falling down. To fall. That's the 5 minute time frame. Wow. 15 minute is also crazy. Even I suggest you guys, even these kind of falls, you should not you should avoid taking any position. Just without confirmation, how can you take the confirmation? That's very simple. Two, three things. Like you can take the chance following by RSI as well, but in this kind of like fall, RSI will not work well. So here you can just set here you can just understand the movement of the coin. You need to just take an opportunity to open the long position in this kind of candle, but without taking the confirmation, that could be risky. So BTC is just going like steady maybe by this week, hopefully. If it crosses above 91 $90,000, then 95 could be a chance. But if there is no big news in the market, like if Trump is not saying anything and there is nothing going on in the market, overall in the world there are multiple wars going on. but they are not affecting them. So you see the BTC price is just hovering around $90,000. Like there is Russia, Ukraine war, there is a war in Palestine, there is a war in like now they have just took the president of Venezuela. Now they're planning to take Greenland, and there are multiple wars going on in the world. So it's not affecting the market much. So I think it's like I think now the more common people have just put their money. So of course the whales are moving the market. If you see the gold is just going up every time, every day. So today just getting a little bit down, but it's going up, making new highs like every week almost. So things are ugly. Market is like going, even the people, finance experts are just talking about like it's, we never studied something like that. If S&P is going up, the crypto is going down. That what was happening always. Crypto was independently moving. Now it's moving sideways sometimes. Sometimes it moves against that. What's going on? Like I think there are few whales which they are moving the market. They are big whales. They are just taking a chance for grabbing the money. So yeah, they are manipulating it. That's what I think. Even I have seen like fewer people was just talking about, okay, now the alt season is just going to start by the end of like last year quarter, um, in the last quarter, but it's not happening yet. Like uh, it's the first quarter of the next year, and BTC is just still like um holding the market, dominating the market, and which is like 58%, which is like already on the higher side. And let's talk about the fear index as well. So fear and greed index just moved up on the neutral side like last week, but now there is a fear in the market again. So let me tell you. Sorry. So today fear is 34, um, like just like yesterday. So not a big move, but yeah. And market cap is 3.4 trillion. So yeah, market is just getting a little bit steady for today. So market is moving every day. We cannot judge like on what factors they are moving. Well, there are multiple factors. There are some rumors, some speculations in the market. Someone said something big. So yeah, things are moving according to that. And if we see, and if we, I have seen like people are drawing the charts like this. Okay, 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 just like this, and now the market will go to there or maybe fall down there. But in this kind of market, the charts are also not working well. So even I just wanted to take an opportunity, but without the confirmation, I'm not taking a chance in this one as well. I will open the long position. I will show you in front of my, oh, let's talk about previous one. Bonk, yeah. Yeah, we assumed to took the trade in this candle. Yeah. In the previous candle. Yeah, in the red, in this red candle. That's a 5 minute candle. We assume that if if this candle is closing above the bottom of this candle, then it can shift the moment. That's a good chance of momentum shift. So taking an opportunity to open the long position. I just want, but it's still not confirmed yet. You see the candles. Both of the candles are just not showing the right direction. I think we should wait. That's what I think. I'm not going to take any chance today. I just want to get the exact trade. Yesterday, not all of my trade, but three of my trades got stuck. You see, the momentum is shifting. This was the indication. These previous three candles were was the indication, but it went wrong in this candle. But I told you guys, if this one is just closing above this bottom, let me just zoom in this one for you guys. Okay. You see the bottom of this candle? Most of the time this works very well. If you just judge the momentum, like momentum is shifting in this candle, so you can take a chance in these kind of movements as well. So yeah, good chances to go back up. Maybe it can fall down. Now, if I would have opened a long position in this candle as well, so I can move my stop loss to my break even. Even I can drag that stop loss along with the movement as well, but I have not opened any position in this one, so I cannot complain for that as well. So yes, okay. Uh, H bar is falling down. H bar is not in the good shape. If we see the momentum, that's a 1 day, that's a 1 hour time frame. See what a what a fall. It went to 105, 103. What was its lowest mark? That was the 10th October, the black day in the history of crypto. The big candle, it's printed on the minds of like major traders, most of the traders. Okay, 043. Okay. This red candle. That's a 1 day candle. It's printed in our mind. We cannot just forget this one. Okay. Uh, I just want a confirmation. I will open the long position in this one. I will open the long position for sure. Waiting for the confirmation. I would not take a chance from here. You see, the previous candle was a big candle, and the next candle was not a big candle. So that could be a indication that the next candle, or if this candle, not this one, the next candle will close above this one, the previous one. Uh, Hello, brother. How are you doing? Good. Hope you're good. Uh, so yeah, things will be in our hand. Just waiting for the momentum shift. Maybe it will take. That's boring actually. Meanwhile, let's talk about another one. 6186. Okay. Uh, just moving sideways. Not not taking chance, and the truth has just already gone up. We can take the chance in this pair as well. Again, but you see, it's moving sideways in this time frame. That's the 5 minute time frame. If we talk about 15-minute, so not the exact confirmation yet, but it may fall down a little bit more. Sorry. 5 minute is also just indicating there is not a clear confirmation yet, actually. Let's remove this. Okay, I will take a chance in this one, but I can set my limit order to what was the lowest is 156. So I am just going to limit my order at 157. Yeah, 157. I think that could be a good, but not taking big chance. Maybe let's take with 25x. No, let's reduce it to 20x leverage and opening the position with. Okay, let's take a chance to open with almost $150. Opening long on limit order. So that's my limit order. I have just set my limit order here. Okay, it's quite right position. So maybe it will go good, but right now it's not going good. I am not in any position right now. Okay. So new candle is here, but it's still, see, it's still falling down. Not not giving us an opportunity right now. ARKM, let's talk about this pair. There is not much volume in this one. Sorry. Uh, this is the confirmation for opening the long position. We can take a chance to open the long position 1-7. Okay, let's limit the order 179795. Let's so try to open the position with almost $100. Okay, I have just limited the order. Maybe it will grab it, and TP would be opening with 20x leverage. It's strongly not recommended. Try to use small leverages, even small margins. Use small margins. Using small margin can give you at least, if something goes wrong, if you're not setting up your stop loss somewhere, then at least if your trade got stuck, it can take sometimes a fewer days as well. But try to open long positions on the coins which are just opening, which are on already on the lower side of their prices. That's the strategy. Just keep following that. It's very successful strategy. I am using this strategy since more than 1 year now, and it's working very well for me. So I will start doing copy trading in near future, hopefully. Like maybe in few days, hopefully. So I'm just setting up an account. So So I will try to take some positions on the lead account as well. So yeah, if you want to, if nobody wants to have a look on the market, then you can copy my trades as well. Okay, okay. But before you copy my trade, all pre just check my results of that trading first. Then you can just copy my trades. Okay. I think I'm not gonna make big profit in this trade. If I put my TP, oh, that's very small. $25 still here. Okay. Okay, I have just set up my TP all also. Let's move it over here. Uh, I hope you guys can see it. Okay. If you guys want to register on LBank Exchange, then there's a link in my bio. Click on that, join my join with my referral account. You will be given a free 50 USDT you can utilize to perform a futures trade. And the money you make on top of that, you can withdraw in your account as well, or you can keep trading on with that amount as well. So it's a free money. You can avail that opportunity. And if you want to see how to do that, how to create your account, I have seen like fewer people just they don't even know how to create their account. So I have made a video. I have just uploaded that on YouTube as well. So it's a very simple video, so anybody can understand that. So you can check that on YouTube as well. Am I missing something? Not yet. Oh, okay. So I have opened just one position right now. Okay, things. Okay, what about the pair we were just having a look? H bar falling. You see, that's a fall. It's a big fall, not. I could have take a chance to open the long position from here, but there was not an exact confirmation. I just wanted to get the right confirmation to open the long position. What would be the right position? What would be the right confirmation? I will show you guys in this trade. And now it's getting a little bit support from here. You see, there is a big fair value gap over here. It's in just one candle. Then if it grabs that position, then it will go back up. And that's what I need actually. Maybe I will not take the position on the right time, but I will show you how to grab that position. Thank you, Asad brother, for following me. Thank you. Okay. Thank you, Gamer 36 number. Thank you for following me as well. There are a lot more followers today. Thank you so much, everybody, for following me. Okay, so uh, thank you, Aman Hussain, brother. Thank you so much. Thank you, Ghulam Khan, for joining. Thank you, Sindhu. Okay. So what I need is I just want another confirm. I just want the confirmation. You see the RSA. If we see the RSA, the line of RSA, it's just fall down to 2. My RSA value is 5, which is like very less. But okay, for short-term scalping, this works well. So RSA is 2, like very favorable for opening the long position. But if we see the momentum is not in favor. We need the exact momentum. Okay. See, it's just falling down. I will open the long position. I'm not going to take the chance to open the short position from here. Waiting for the time. I hope things will be in our favor. Mm, So my position is already open order. Oh, straight. There is a pullback. There is a pullback in this candle, but why it's getting a pullback? There is a support over here. If you see, that's the support over here for that specific period of time. It's not covering up the fair value gap. This one, this one. Let's see. Let's see if things and this can if this candle closes in green and the next candle is also in green, then I will open a long position. But tip of that's still not the 100% confirmation, but still we can take a chance. That's 15 for 1 hour. Okay. That's the 1 hour time frame. You see, guys? That's a 1 hour time frame. That's 15-minute time frame. Okay. That's 5-minute time frame. Okay. I want this candle to close in green, and the next candle should also be closed in green. So that would be a good. Yeah, I'm just checking the if you see the 1 hour, that's 1 hour time frame. There is no confirmation like still. RSA is 27. Yes. But if we see the previous this hour, like 12 o'clock Thailand time accordingly, that was a big candle. Now it's falling down again. No confirmation for opening the long position. See? Yes. No confirmation. Here it is. If we see, you see, that's the gap. The mark would be 0.107. That's what I think. What do you think? Yeah, yeah. That's what it's falling for. But it just tried to go there, but was unable to do that. Then again, pull back again. That's what I'm just looking for. I want to open a long position, but I just maybe it if it fills that mark. Oh, sorry, not for 1 minute. If it will fill that gap, then okay, let's forget this one for now. Going to yeah. Um, if HE is falling down, down, down again, no, going back up, falling down. I will show you the one day time frame of this pair. See, that's the 1 day time frame. This coin, actually, we should just do that and favor Esther. Yes, 5 minutes, 15 minutes is I don't know. I'm unable to grab any position today. Just took one, but just took the chance. Yeah, this one. Just hovering around to that position where I have just took the position, like 10-15 minutes back. Even if it hit my TP, then because I am not using the big leverage, even the next, even not the big margin as well, but still just hovering around to that. What do you think? What should we do? I think I have just set up the limit order on this one already. I don't want to waste the time just like I have done yesterday. It took like 3 hours almost to come to for my positions to come in profit. Well, let's see. I hope for the best for this one. I want to open a long position in this pair actually. You see the momentum? Yes. 5 minutes time frame, it's in favor of. But what will we do is we will just try to. Okay. I think limit order is on the right mark. Let it go for now. This truth is already topped today. I don't know. Should we take a chance to open the short position here? No, not that could not be a good decision. See the momentum, it's bullish. Why I'm talking against the market? In the bullish move, I'm just talking about to take the long position, short position, and if the bearish, then I'm talking about to take the long position. Well, taking chance. Okay, so now this is the candle I can we can take the chance. That's what I was just talking about. Yeah, yeah, we can take a chance. We can take a chance to open the long position in this candle. I just want to take a chance in this, but using 20x leverage with minimum margin, even 1%. Opening long market order. Uh, okay. I have I just this is the momentum shift actually on the 5 minute time frame. Uh, I just took the risk to open the position. Let's see where does it go. What to? Sorry, I don't understand the EVV chart. Uh, that's the coin you're talking about. DEV. Let's see. Okay, my position is open. We will see the result of this one. Uh, TP could be. Okay, I'm just trying to grab as much as possible in this trade. I have just opened this position. Uh, so let's see where does it goes. I just took a chance to open the long position. Okay. DEVVE. That's not even listed on this exchange. If you're talking about this coin, we can check that on um, DEVVE. It's not trading futures actually. Uh, for this one, if you're talking about this pair, if we see the movement, wow, it's a bit it's very very volatile coin. That's insane, I must say. Clear cut supports and resistances at some price. There is not big volume. I don't know what is that thing actually, but for short-term scalping, yeah, it seems like it's a good option, but let's talk about one day. Already on the lower side of its price, yes. Can take a chance to open the long position. See, it was there like on mid of September 2024. So this is the price right now of this pair is just at the same price. And it went to all-time high 1.78. Wow. In the mid of January. So if you have bought that one at some price, then what can I say? If you are not buying it, if that's a good project, you need to just for the long-term investment, you need to just study this project first, then can take a chance. But see the fall, the big falls are there. Maybe it can fall down a little bit more, but it's already on the least price, I think. Okay. So, yes. Let me just refresh it. Okay. So, I think I hope you get the answer of that. Hmm. Okay. I just tried to grab the momentum. I hope it will work well. As I said, on the other hand, I can do is in the very next candle, if this candle uh, goes green, then I can take a chance to put my stop loss at my break even. So at least I should have to keep myself in a safe zone. But you see, it's very volatile. There is a big volatility in this coin, so it can take me down as well. If we see the 1 hour time frame, I am just taking the long position from here. Can be dangerous, but Let's see on the 5 minute time frame. Just try to grab the momentum. If things goes well, then I will show you the results of this trade. Maybe it can fall down a little bit more, but already on the lower side. Okay. And ARKM, the other trade is also just hovering around to break even. These both trades are just hovering around to break even. I just want a little bit pull back, pull up. So maybe I can take some profit today in live session instead of just sharing the results of these trades. Mm, okay, okay. I think, yes, took the position at, I think the on the right mark, bouncing from it. Yeah, yeah, that's why I just took the position. I just waited for like, this is 5 minutes, could wait for like 15 minutes over here. Got the confirmation according to trend, but not, maybe, maybe I could have taken the wrong position, but it's not filling up that gap actually. It seems like, but anything can be. Things can get ugly. I just want to put the stop loss at break even, but I think it's not the right time. On the other hand, let's talk about if I put my stop loss here on the bottom of this candle, maybe I will lose some 20, $30. I think I should have to I should put my stop loss at here. Not sure. Okay, I have just put the stop loss. Let's try to play safe instead of like, if I'm losing 23, $25 maybe sometimes, maybe. Yeah, and if I'm making my TP is very high, uh, that's very achievable. If we see the 1 hour time frame, you see, if the market moves that way. If the market is not moving that way, maybe that could be a bad sign for me. Someone is talking bad in the comment section, so there is a community flagged comment detected. So comment is filtered. Guys, don't try to talk bad. It's not a good thing for the community. Okay. All right. All right. Right. Dev chart. Uh, thank you, MJ, for following me. Okay. So, okay, let's see another opportunity if I can grab something else. Aster. Not yet. I got lucky yesterday, I think. I took the positions at the right price yesterday and gained my, yeah. And kind of 1 hour, 15 minute, 5 minute. Let's see if both of my trade goes well. Okay. Um, SKR. Okay, let's check it out. SKR. SKR, that's 5 minutes time frame. Oh wow. It gained a good momentum, you see. Still going up. It will go up for sure. That's one of, oh, okay. It's a newly listed coin, but taking chance in this coin can be a good option. But when see, newly listed coins are like very risky, very highly volatile coins. So if you take a trade in these kind of pairs, just try to put your stop loss at your break even. So that's the way at least you can keep yourself in a safe zone. So see, that's sorry, this is the 5 minute time frame. Okay, good. But it's just newly listed coin on this exchange maybe. So that can be risky. Uh, see, it just got rejected from there on the 15-minute time frame and momentum shifted from there to fall down and just trying to get momentum. So newly listed coin just they try to pump their prices, of course. That's understandable. It's very volatile coin. See, it's just listed like 3 days back almost. So taking chance in these kind of coins, I'm not going to take the chance in these kind of coins. If you have open any position, just put your stop loss if you're in profit. Because if they are just dumping the market, then anything can be happen. And if you have opened the short position, maybe yes, I have used Maxis as well, but Lbank is just linked with TradingView, so I feel better for this one actually. I'm using this one for more than 1 year now. So yeah, it's good. It's good for me at least. I'm using it's just linked with TradingView. They have their own charts as well, but it's linked with their link TradingView, so you can draw things. Oh, on the other hand, like all of the exchanges just give you a good option. But I think I'm happy with this one. Yeah, I have an account, but I'm using this one from last one in like shifting your wallets again and again. I think it's not a good thing. But diversify your wallets, of course. I have kept a small amount of money in like I think four exchanges. In every exchange, I have just put like few of my dollars to keep them active. In fact, they're active and I'm just trying to trade on other exchanges when I get a chance. So yeah, actually, I'm in Thailand, so majorly I'm just drawing the money in Thailand, so it's very easy. I can transfer my money from this exchange to Binance TH. So they are just that TH is just for withdrawing and depositing money. So that's linked with my bank, so it's very easy to withdraw your money. So I'm not using any kind of card for now. Uh, I'm just withdrawing that money. It's like just a click away. It just took maybe less than a minute to withdraw your money. So yeah, it's easy for me to withdraw money here, but if you are in any other country, you can check your options there. But it's easy to withdraw money here. So that's what I'm here since last more than 4 years now. So yeah. No, no. No, actually, my wife is Thai, so I'm living here since more than 4 years now. So I'm here in Thailand. So I love it here. It's good. It's good country to live. Yeah, yeah. It's good country to live in and very peaceful, very good people. So all the people all from all of the world just love to move Thailand. I have like met various peoples from all over the world. So even most of them are just retired. Yeah, if you get a chance, just avail that opportunity to go anywhere. So you're oh okay. In Thailand? Okay. So where do you live like in which country? Thank you for following as well. Thank you, Holly, for following. Dubai is like very expensive. I have been there twice, but not for living, just for visit. But I like, oh, okay, Melbourne. Okay, Australia. Australia, my wife's like dream destination, but we have never been there. But she loves to move. He wants to move there, but she, on the other hand, when we talk about the when we compare the things, then she just leaves leaves that discussion over there. So I think yeah, it's good to live here in Thailand. But yeah, Dubai is hell expensive now. It's like very expensive. It's for just for rich people now. Even like two of my friends just living there, they just asked, they were just telling me, okay, everything is just beyond our like limits now. So they also want to move somewhere else. That's for just maybe for rich people. If you can afford, then yes, sure you can do that. You should go there. It's good, it's safe. My trade is open H bar. I just grab this position, opened long position from here, trying to get the momentum actually. Oh, that's the 5 minute. Yeah, I just try to grab the momentum and put my stop loss at negative somewhere around there, $23 on the bottom, just near to the bottom of this wick. Oh, okay. So Australia is also expensive. That totally depends upon you. Yeah, Professor Brother, actually, I just try to grab the momentum. I want to drag my stop loss to my break even, but just want a big candle from here. There are good chances it's just trying to fill the fair value gap, but was unable to do that. So I just took the position in previous candle. So maybe I could have take a good chance or okay. Yeah, sure, sure. It's nice to talk with you. Okay, 37% tax. Oh, hell of tax. In Thailand, my wife was working, so I think taxes are also high, but not that much actually. But overall life is very good. So you forget every kind of stress here. So if you get a chance, just move to Thailand. It's a good country. I love it actually. Okay, okay. So both of my positions are just hovering around to break even. See, just my SL is 1086, 1086, somewhere out there. The red one is my SL. Yeah. I just don't want to use SL. I just want to remove my SL, but actually, think I just don't want this trade to take long as this one happened yesterday. I'm just trying to be safe. Losing $20, $30, okay. But instead of losing and waiting for long can be bad. 100 leverage? 100 leverage? No, no. I don't suggest anyone. Even I have never done that. Yeah, I did that, but when in the start of my crypto futures career, but no, I don't recommend anybody. You can take a chance if you want to, but I'm totally against that. That totally depends upon you, like how much capital do you have and how much you can afford to lose in a single trade as well. That's what I think you remember. You talk almost we talk almost daily on this thing. Okay, good. And it's good. Like if you're making something, okay, yeah. I don't have that appetite actually. I cannot take this chance. Brother, actually, I have seen like people, they are struggling to make very small amount of maybe 10, $20 every day. So yeah, if you have big capital, you can take a chance. Yeah, you can do some experiments. You can afford to lose big money as well. But I have seen like people just try to struggle 20, 30, $40 making every day. So that's that's why I don't suggest people to use that big leverage. Even I even if you remember that I always talk about like use small leverages always. Thank you, Zishan brother, for following me. Okay, so it's good if you can manage your trade, then you can take a chance. And you just let me know as well if your trade and how much you made in a trade. I would love to hear from you. Okay, so see it's after this fall, it's just hovering around to break even, just moving along this side, just at the support level and my entry point. Oh yeah, yeah, okay. So where do you put your stop loss? Like on the negative like $10 to like what's your ratio, risk to reward? Wow. 100x. Wow. Great. If you're making good, then good for you. Just 15. Yeah, yeah. It should be done like in just a single candle. Ramesh brother, volume indicator. What should I tell you about that? Have you tried this one? That's not for the volume, but it's SMC. It's not showing the volume, but it can give you the momentum of. I preferably using the momentum indicators. So this is just showing the momentum where you can open the long or short positions. This indicator is good. One of our just forward just asked me to check that, and I have just started it. This one is good. I have never used a volume indicator ever. Just even I cannot sometimes just understand like what's going on with the volume. So sorry for that. Oh, okay, yeah, good. It's good. It's good. I think swing trade, yes, yeah. 20x is good. Even 20x is good if you have bigger capital. But use small leverages, use small margin. I always suggest people like scalping man tree. Brother, you can use basic, very basic thing, RSI. Scalping RSI, set the value to 5 and just take the position. It's very good. And if you want to understand the momentum shift, I can guide you that way as well. Let's do a little bit backtest from here. I will tell you why I take the position from where I took the position. But that just for short-term scalping, just for 5 minute time frame can take 15-minute time. That works well on 1 hour time frame as well. But what we need to do is we are just I'm trading on L Bank exchange. This is the exchange. It's the Hong Kong based exchange since more than 1 year now. If you want to register with that, there is a link in my bio. You can register yourself with that link as well. Try studying charts people was just doing random trade discussing. Studying charts can be a good option, brother, but I think there are like thousands of patterns, so they always got me confused. If you consider like this is one pattern, okay, I'm just going to take the position, then the position is and the chart moved against that, so okay, that's another pattern. So it's always hard to just grab that uh the right chart position. What I do is uh only candles. Yeah, so let me tell you the way I try to grab the momentum. Momentum shift, it's if you understand the momentum shift, you can grab the momentum. How can you catch that option? Let me tell you. Let's do that on bigger time frame so that would be easy to understand. Okay, let's do that for 5 frame for scalping. Why I took this trade, I will tell you. The candles were falling down. I was just monitoring this coin from here. I was having a look from here. It was just falling down. I just wanted to open the long position. Why I would not be able to do that? I was not getting confirmation. I will tell you the confirmation. What was that? When this candle falls down, the next candle was green. I waited for that. I wait for that for the next candle. If you see this wick, if you can see this wick, the big wick was there, and the next candle was in green. That was a first confirmation. That was the confirmation I took the trade in this candle, and it just go down a little bit. It just went down a little bit, then it's just moving up. You see, that's the momentum shift. If you grab that, if you catch that opportunity, that's a good thing. But it's not always working 100%, but I think more than 90% it works very well. I took like 4 5 trades yesterday. I think two of them I took by following by this, and two of them were following by the RSI. All of trades went well at the end, but the trade I followed by the momentum, I just closed that trade in I think in 2 minutes and made $50 on top of that, and just moved my stop loss to my break even. So that's the way at least you are in safe zone if something goes wrong. Anything can be happen. It's not always like it's going good. You are just you 100% gain that momentum. That's very basic thing to understand. If you grab that TP you can put any like any top. That's your appetite. I just put my TP to here, which is like achievable if we do a little bit backtest, but it can take a little bit more time. So that's my TP. You see, if we do a little bit backtest, that's my TP. TP is there. So that's my strategies. I don't suggest you to always follow that, what I'm just telling you, but you can just do study on top on this. So you will have a good understanding of getting the momentum. If you grab the momentum, then sure, yes, you can take the position. But what we need is it tests your patience. Sometimes you need to wait. I waited like after live session, I just took the trade after I think 30 minutes or maybe 40 minutes. So yeah, that's it. That's how I Rami's brother, my lower limit is 20. Uh, I have set the RSA value 5. The value is 5, but I take the position below 20 for the long position, and for short position above 80, sometimes of 85. That totally depends. And you follow the momentum as well. If you take the trade according to the momentum, then yes, these are the two major like marks which I follow for that. So yeah. So see, this is now $10 positive. I can move my stop loss, but I will do that in the very next candle. I just want this candle to go a little bit up. Then I will move my stop loss to break even. If it hits my top stop loss at break even, no problem. I will wait for another confirmation. Or either way, I can just close this on $10 positive as well. So that totally depends. That's how you decide how much you want to make in a trade. My margin size is like big, $300. I took the leverage 20x. So see the 20x leverage, $309, and position is open in front of you. So yes, that's it. I hope things will go well. I wish, I hope I would be able to catch the momentum right. If that's not going to be right, then that's not a good thing. Okay, okay, okay. Let's remove this line. Okay, just giving me. All right. What's purple chart? This one RSI actually. RSI. If you just check RSI, it's by default set in most of the exchanges. You can just change the settings for short-term scalping. For short-term scalping, you can set the RSI value to 5. So Yes. If you want to see the details of that, then I can show you. If you want to ask me about, I will show you in a better way. Where's my water bottle? Yeah, okay, let me tell you. That's the RSI if you see this one. RSI. And I have changed the value to 5. If we see the settings, so the length is 5 SMA. SMA length is 5, smoothing is 14, let it go. So all you need to just set the length to 5, then press OK. So if we change that length, if you want to understand, let's do that 14. That works well for the swing trade and for the long-term trades. You see, I have changed the value and the graph of the line movement is also changed. So I use 5 RSA value, RSA length 5 always for scalping. I always do scalping. See, the line has just moved its positions. So yes, that's the RSI. Okay, okay, no problem. No problem. We are here for you guys. If you want to ask anything, you can ask me. Even you after the live session, you can write me in the comment section as well, or you can write me in the private message as well. I would definitely love to respond you and try to guide you. I'm getting a lot of messages every day. Even like few of people, they don't even know how to create their accounts as well. So I just guided them. So they're just trying to create their accounts. But if you're new, just try to use demo accounts and don't put your real money in your account, in your exchange. Try to learn first, then for sure you can earn. And try to learn from others' mistakes instead of doing that mistake by yourself. So don't do that. Try to earn after learning. Don't fall for these things. These are very attractive. These are very attractive. You really wanted to start from now. It's that attractive, but don't fall for that. Even sometimes after taking my day target, it if I open the market, sometimes I see, okay, there is another position. I really want to open that. But now I have a control on my emotions, so that's totally depends upon you where to stop actually. You should set your target and just try to do it. Confirmation did you get to take your entry? For this entry, yeah. I got the confirmation I have just mentioned earlier. I think you just missed it. I just tried to grab the momentum following by these four, three, four candles. I took the position in this candle. I was waiting from here, at least I think in this candle or maybe this candle. The market was falling down, 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 down. I was waiting for the confirmation. Where I get the confirmation when there is a green candle, that's the 5 minute time frame. There's a green candle in the make, and in the next candle was it went downside, but I wanted this candle to close in green. That means that there is a momentum shift from here. So I just grabbed that position here. It just fall down a little bit, and then I just grabbed that momentum. So I think that's the easiest way to understand the momentum actually. Three candle patterns take, and five candle patterns. So you can check the five candles as well sometime. It may go wrong. It you see if you guys see it went to like $15 positive dollar my profit. So I would that's where how I need to decide should I close my trade or keep it continue for the long period of time. But there's a 5 minute time frame. Okay, I can wait maybe for anything can be happen from here now. But for now, at least the momentum I got, that's what I did. Maybe I'm wrong. If you know something better, you can just write me in the comment section as well. Hmm, okay. See, now it's in negative $1. No problem. It will go up for sure. Maybe on the other hand, it can go wrong for sure. For sure. That's how you decide. Like I was in $15 positive. I did not close that trade. But If these two, three candles are not closing below this candle, then the market is just moving up. And if could you explain or say a bit more what is okay. Uh, RSI is called relative strength index. Relative strength mean like it's showing like where it's going. It's going up, it's going down. What kind of power this movement have? I will show you. In RSI, you have to set the value. What does RSI shows? RSI shows if the RSI is falling, uh, this purple area is by default set in 30 to 70. You see, that's 30 to 70. That's by default set. That's the range you should avoid taking any trade. What was the reason? If the RSI, if you want to do a swing trade and you want to open the short position, the RSI should be above this area. That would have been like more than 70, 70, 80, 90. That totally depends upon you, what time frame you are looking at. And if that means the market is on overbought position. So overbought means now the sellers will try to sell. That always works well, RSI. And if we see the market went down to, if we see this price, this it went to two, like very, very good option of opening the long position. And but on the 5 minute time frame, if we and on every time frame, it will change its value. I have just done that on 15-minute time frame. Now the lower value is 13. So if I do that on 1 hour, so or if we see, sorry, let me just make it a little bit bigger. Oh, it's not okay. If we see the 1 hour time frame, now the RSA value right now is 30. You see 30. 30 means on it's on oversold situation. So maybe the buyer will take a chance to buy this coin. But I think 90% of the time it works very well. 90% of the time. It's not always 100%, not even a single indicator in the market, I must say, that's giving us 100% perfection. That's only the way you can just understand, okay, the market is on oversold position or overbought position. Any coin, like any coin, you can check any coin. Every coin has its own like RSI value. So it just moves like this way. And the value of 5, if you want to let me tell you about, okay. So value of 5 means the previous 5 candles. The previous 5 candles average position is this. If I set value of previous like 14, so on that will work very well on the swing trade and like intra-trade trades. If you want to keep your trade open for a few days, so then you can set the value to 14. So that means 14 means like previous 14 days average position is this or this. What the position is right now. So I think yeah, that's it. So it's just indicating you like the market is on overbought position or oversold position. So yeah, that's very basic thing actually. And I have seen like people a lot of talking about a lot of other indicators. Yes, there are various indicators. There are thousands of indicators in the market. So that totally depends upon you how you perceive it. Okay, I have just grabbed another position H. I just took the long position. Uh, yes, I placed an order on limit order at this price, and it just grabbed that position H. Why I did that, I just put the order just near to the bottom of these like 5 6 candles. That's why I just placed the order here without like any confirmation, but just seeing the moment. I will close this trade quickly. So right now I am in 3 positions and will try to close all of them, hopefully. Estimated. Okay, so yeah, HUSDT, this one is the coin. I just got that. Yeah, long position. If we see the moment, that's the moment. That's the 15-minute time frame. That's the 1 hour time frame. Overall momentum is like bearish for the one, but we will do a quick trade in this. That's the 1 day time frame. Like very dangerous moment right now. Maybe it will fall down a little bit. What I will do is I will just set my stop loss at my break even. If it goes above to like, okay. Yeah, yeah, I understand. It's just if it will fall down, maybe yeah, it will take me down as I just took the chance actually. That should not have been done this way, but okay. Taking chance can actually my session was just getting prolonged, so I just wanted to take like few positions in live session. I took yesterday 5 positions and all of them I went very well. Two of them I just closed in the live session and two of them I just closed after my live session. Yeah. And I just sent the result of those in my WhatsApp channel as well. But buying pressure too low. Yes, I understand, but let's see. Let's set the TP. Where should be the TP? TP would be those very small amount. But on the other hand, dot USD. Let's talk about dot. Market is like moving very slow now. Dot. Yeah, yeah, good for scalping. That's why I'm doing it. I'm just trying to do scalping every day. Okay. Dot. 5 minutes, 15 minutes. 1 hour is okay. When does this fall? Yesterday. Okay, that was the morning time. It's just moving sideways, I must say. You see, that's a 1 day time frame. These kind of coins are like on the lower side of let's stop. It's not. Yeah. It's just hovering around to its lower side of its price. It's a very good. It's right now it's on the very, if you want to do a swing trade in this one and just can afford to keep your position open for maybe a month, this is very good coin to open a position for the long position and just use small margin with small leverages as well. What do you think? Yeah, that's what I'm just talking about. It's what about BTC? BTC, we have just talked about earlier. Like BTC is just hovering around to $90,000 somewhere around there, and the weekend is here almost. Just 1 day left. That will BTC's move can be decide when the US market will open, and I think after one almost 1 hour the market will open, then we will see like where does it goes. I hope BTC will go a little bit more up. That's what I think. And if the weekend closes above 90,000, then we have a very good hope. And if Trump doesn't say anything or any big guy doesn't say anything or talk about anything, or there are no facts coming into the market and there is no more wars it's going to open in the world, then for sure BTC will go. But you know, just in in a single day, this one, you see this, no, this one, this day, like 2 days back, it just fall down like just like I think $4,000 just in 1 hour. So that was very bad for BTC. Yeah, yeah. Uh, that's always happens. That's what I think of. That's what I always think. BTC, if you see 2 weeks back, it grabbed the liquidity of short positions. Then now like 2 3 days back, it got liquidated more than $8 million. So like long position holders and short position holders, like major liquidities, it is all already BTC have eaten that. So um now BTC, well, I understand if everything goes right, there is not, if Trump is not saying anything and there is no war and Trump is not trying to take Greenland, well, he will do that. Then I think the market will for sure go up. Because if we see the altcoins are all of the altcoins are already on the lower side of their prices. If I must say, if anybody has like extra money saved in his bank, or just assuming that okay, that's an extra money, maybe I will use someday, and I don't have like to invest that, or I don't have to use it right now. That's an extra money. Well, my income is good and I'm earning good already, so should buy like major altcoins right now. It's the time. And in futures, do that in futures. Open like just buy for $100 and keep another $100 for liquidity. Open with 10x leverage and let it go. Maybe for a few days, maybe for a few months sometime. They will give you a good, very good profit. All season is knocking the door, trying to knock the door, but BTC is not letting it. Why it's not? Like BTC is moving the market, and the gold price is moving on higher side. Of course, all the whales are just moving to gold and just taking the money from out of BTC. So, so BTC is still dominating the market. That's what I think. Maybe I'm not right here, but you can just check that fact as well. So do your own research as well. I think BTC will go above 100K in near future, hopefully. And if it's not going there, then the 70,000 mark is the lowest mark. 75, in between 70 to 75,000 mark by the end of this year. That's what I think. Thank you, Kevin, for following. Thank you. It's an honor for me. And I think things are going well for now. So I think dot is good for the long term, like for swing trade. That's what I think. Okay, all of my trades are just hovering around to break even. I just want to make very small profit today, not even 1%. It doesn't look like big because I'm not using big margins today. Because market moved up already in morning, like 5 6 hours back. So taking the long positions from here can be risky, but try to grab the momentum. BTC, yeah, yeah. Actually, for the short term, for short period of time, BTC, if you see, it's already on the. Uh, let's talk about BTC charts. This is BTC, and that's the 1 hour time frame. Like even it's not cleared yet, like where it's going now. I must say, for the long period of time, you see, these are like 6 7 8 hours candles. I think more than almost 12 hours. These candles, like not clearing any, not getting any clear confirmation. How did you like get to know about the bearish flag? I just want to learn this as well. 15 minute, see, it's just in the range bound. And 5 minutes, of course, if it's in the 1 hour time frame, this is the range bound from last 10 12 hours. This is the range bound, this one. So, but But I think like maybe BTC will cross 90,000 mark today. I have a feeling, but because of alts are already on the lower side of their prices, so they are just people are now just putting the money, and the market size is also increasing. Let me check on the other screen. 14%. Okay. Yeah, all season is also like gaining momentum, so improving. So that means it's a good thing the for the market, for the bullish market. That's what I think. Um, for short period of time, not for the would be somewhere around 58. Yeah, 59. Now BTC is dominating more than last month. So still BTC is just holding the market. Sorry. So where are my trades? Let's talk about trades. H. Now I am very much confused about this trade, my trade. This one. You see? That's just moving around to my break even. If it will try to fill the fair value gap, this one, sorry, this one, then I will be in a huge loss. Not huge, but okay, $20, maybe 20, $25. But I just wanted to take a chance in this from here actually. But this formation is not good sign. It went to the upper side, but you see. Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much for your comments. Penguin. Right now, there is a confusion. Everything is in hovering around to break even. H is just giving me a good push back, then pull back, then just falling down again. I just want most of the time what I do is if my position goes wrong, then sometimes I do TCA with another same amount of percentage, the margin I am using to open the position. So that's the way I can just drag the price near to my break even. So it most of the time it works very well, but that works only when right now in this kind of market, it's steady market right now. But if the alt season is there or the BTC is just moving crazy, then it's not working very well. So that's why I have an appetite of losing 2% of my capital just in one day. And if I lose that amount of money, I will close my trade, I will shut down my system and stay away from the market for that day. That's what I have learned from the market. That's what I'm doing like since more than 1 year now. So this strategy is working very well for me. Just try to just try to make your own discipline, and keep following that discipline can give you profit. And if you're not following and or making any discipline, just taking trades and trying to grab every candle, then you will lose someday. I have opened only long positions. I have not opened any short position. What are you talking about? All three of my positions are long positions. You see, three of my positions are long positions. That's my TP actually. Even I cannot open multiple positions, opening short or long from here. That will be counted as a DCA, if you understand that. No, no, no problem, no problem. So it's all right. I have just set my TP. If you see this one, that's TP. Maybe that's achievable. What do you think? Oh yeah, this kind of candle I need. See, and going to hit my TP and oh, wow, oh what a candle, what a candle. Yeah, yeah, that's why I just wanted to close all of my positions. I just got to know about this news as well. Okay, this trade is. I just want to close this trade. Yeah. I don't think it will affect the market much more. If you witness that one, the previous what was that? What do you call that? Sorry, I like what is that? Uh, please hit my TP. Please hit my TP. Not hitting. It was just giving me a $50 about to hit my $60 trade, but no, no, actually, I'm from Pakistan, but I'm living in Thailand since more than now 4 years. So I'm living in Thailand. Okay, great. How's the weather? Weather must be very cold now. I have seen like very few people doing the online sessions. It took me like 3 years to start this thing. I have just started like 2 months back. When I got a good profit, then I just wanted to start doing online sessions and making some online money as well, of course. Thailand's weather is also shit. Like it's hell of like it's very warm. Even we are just using our air cons every day. We keep it on like on 23, 24 temperature. So it's better than cold season, yeah, but of course. But in Pakistan, I think Pakistan is on geographical location. It's very best location. We can enjoy all kind of weathers. Like hot is extreme hot, cold is extreme cold. But in like UK and if we talk about Thailand, UK is extreme. Europe side is also like cold. You face cold all the year, and in Thailand and this region, Southeast Asia, they are hot all the time. So yeah. Okay, so I think I should have to book my profit here. What do you think? Or I can move my stop loss. I can move my stop loss to $20. Either I make $60 or I can book $20. Okay. That now I am in the safe zone. No, no, I don't want to. Okay. Everybody should visit Thailand at least for once in a lifetime. The people, the weather is not that good actually. Weather is hot, but the people, the infrastructure is also like okay, but the there are multiple activities to do. There are a lot of entertainment, a lot of places to visit. It's very good and very well managed actually. So yes, batteries low. Okay. Oh, just falling down. That's what I was not expecting. See, it just went near to my TP and just well, okay. Maybe I'm just making $20 in this trade. Right now, I'm on the $40 positive. I can take that. I think I should have to take that. Okay, just I'm just going to close this position right now. Okay, $41 are enough for me today in this trade. And we are just going to see the other one. Okay, this one is also just at the nick of giving me something or taking my today's profit maybe. So let's see how much. Okay, so $40 in a trade is good. It was about to hit my TP, but it did not. But okay, that's good enough. And these two trades are also ARKM is also just hovering around to just at price. See, what's moving like moving sideways as I took the trade and they are just started moving sideways. Okay, that means I might have took the right positions or maybe they are wrong. Now the market, now the time will tell, and I'm waiting for the right time. Meanwhile, let's talk about another pair if we can check another one. Bonk. Let's talk about this one. Okay. Yes. This is also a confirmation of taking the long position. Can take a chance in this one as well. But if we see the 1 hour time frame, could be risky, not risky, not risky. Okay. Okay, we can take a chance. I will limit my order to 9090. Okay, 9090 is good actually, I think. I will use 20x leverage. 22, 20, 17, 18, 19, 20x leverage. Going to open the long position, just seeing that the momentum is in the favor. Okay, I just limit my order near to that. Maybe it will grab that opportunity. But we will see if we can just. Penguin is pumping. Okay. Penguin. Uh, oh, sorry, it's Bingo. 170%. Wow. Let's see the 5 minutes candle of Penguin. Why it's so slow? My internet is just not. Okay, Hamayo brother, you're talking about like BTC is going down, will go down. Okay. Oh no, sorry, it's I just have opened the. Did I open the? Oh, it's Omni. They might be going to launch something. I have done nothing. That's. Yeah, yeah, I understand. I think it's not listed on this exchange, but it should be. That's the big one. Let's see. DAX screener maybe. Yeah, okay, let me check. It was listed. I think I have seen that one previously. That spot, that's it. It's not, I think it's not in this one, futures. Okay, maybe, okay, maybe. I think, but it's not listed on the futures on this one. Link, let's talk about link. Link USDT futures. If we talk about futures, if we talk about 5 minute time frame, I think, um, basically, I'm doing scalping for short-term scalping in every coin, and if we talk about 1 hour time frame, it's just falling down. That's 1 day time frame. I was already just talking about these kind of coins. They will, if you have like some extra money, you can just buy it right now. It's I must say it's a buy the dip opportunity and just let it go for maybe for a long period of time. So these are already on the lower side of their prices. But see, these 1 hour candles, these kind of candles can give you like good profit for opening the for scalping. I think for scalping, it's also good. These kind of coins, we can just grab the momentum, any kind of momentum, bullish or bearish, just can you can get something in these kind of coins as well. And all three of my trades now in just near to my break even. If the BTC is falling down, then I'm just opening the long positions. Why I'm doing that? I'm just seeing that these coins are on the already on the lower side of their prices. So that's okay. If the market falls down, I'm not even using even a 1% of my capital. So and using cross margin, so at least I am safe if something goes wrong, and I can close the trade on -2% of my capital if something goes very bad, very ugly. So that's what I do. My thank you for following. Thank you so much. Um, my all three trades are just hovering around to break even, not even okay, give me some loss or give me some profit. It's just I'm just stuck from last more than 1 hour now. I really don't want to lose money, of course. Nobody wants to lose money. See this one is just going like I don't know where it's going. Maybe it will take a little bit more time. Okay, I'm just going to remove my stop loss from here. Okay. Now all three are green now, showing good thing. It's a good sign, but and let's see what's going on in the market. let's talk about something else. TP, where's TP? So I'm not putting TP for now. If I would be able to close all of my trades, I will just let you know, guys, about all of my trades in this session. I think something is happening in the market. Let me check. Uh, you guys can follow me on YouTube as well. That would be a great honor and great support for me as well. Right now, okay. Later on, if you want to register yourself with this exchange, there's a link in my bio. So you can just click on the link and register yourself, and you can avail like 50 free USDT bonus. That amount you can use to do futures trade, and the profit on top of that you can just enjoy that, or you can use that money, or you can withdraw your that money, or you can just perform the trades again with that money as well. So it's a free thing, it's a free money upon registration of this exchange, L Bank. Okay, okay. So here it is. Okay. Seven zero five. All right. Okay. Disney records. X. Uh, things just started falling down again. I don't know what's going on. So I think from now to after 2 hours, PCE data is scheduled to be released at 10 a.m. Yeah, 2 hours from now. That's the inflation data. That's right. Fear index is 20. Wow. I think we should wait for the right time. So we are not, maybe we would not be able to make something today, because these kind big things, when big data, such kind of data are just releasing, like it's just linked with that. They just drag the market from from top to bottom and bottom to top. Uh, but yeah, what I'm getting. Okay. Uh, okay, sorry guys, my system battery is low. I am just going to show you all of my other screen. System battery is just about to die. Okay, I am just showing you my this screen. Okay. Okay, so this one is just falling down, and I had a good hold for this one. I followed the momentum, but okay, but 2 hours left for that thing actually. Um, on the other hand, bonk. Let's talk about this one. Okay, what's happening with H1? We can also check that one as well. H, which one? Just uh, 159. Yeah, I just closed my order in this candle. So okay, what I will do is I will wait again. If I would be able to get something in this trade. Let's see. Let's see. Okay. Let's see the funny time frame. That's a 1 minute time frame. Okay. If we see the momentum, okay. Momentum is shifting. Do we have another opportunity? H bar already open. This one is already open. Esther is also open. No. Okay. What can we do from here? I think I should wait from here to see like if I can grab some grab a position. We see one. I think it's favorable position, but market on SI is also the 1 hour time frame, no, it's not in favor. For the 15-minute time frame, we can take the trade following the upside. It's also not quite in favor, but can do, but okay. For scalping, it does not work well. Uh, okay, let's see if we can get something. Okay, so things are right now. This candle is an indication for opening the long position, but if we follow the candle, that's a momentum shift. But for the long for short period of time, we can just take the chance to open this kind of position. But that can be risky because the market is. But I think we already have opened like 3 positions, so let's wait to close at least 2 of them. Then I will take a chance. Or maybe if I would not be able to get any position today, so I will just let it go. So not every day is a trading day. So sometimes you make, sometimes you lose as well. So for now, I'm not losing anything, but it's better to not not to make some money instead of losing something. So that's why I just always mention, guys, be safe while trading. It's very volatile market. Do your own research first while opening any kind of position. Open short, long, which pair, which coin, from where to buy, where to sell. Yes, there are a lot of people, they are just guiding how to do that. You can just judge the coin, you can just get some information. Okay, so you see, as I just mentioned earlier, like this is an indication for this candle, the market will go up, and it just went well. But I'm not going to open any position. I will show you my trades. So all of my trades are on positive right now. See, these are my trades which are positive right now. I can close these trades right now, or I can just keep it continue. I just want to close all of the trades. I don't know. What do you suggest? Should I close all of my trades or just keep it continue? 6% and 2%. No, 1%. So yes, instead of like losing something, let's take something. What do you think? Because in 2 hours, yes, there's a news. You missed SKR. Might be the coin which was going up. SKR. Oh wow. But I think not right now. We should. It's still bullish. I think so. Did you take the position on any position in this coin, or you also missed this one? This kind of coin we just talked about. It's newly listed and can be very very harmful to your wallet. So okay, great, good. Let's see. Okay, here it went down. It fall down here. Let me just understand the momentum. Not working well here. Not, yeah, it worked well here. It fall down there, then just pull back up, just falling down, no, fall down again. On hourly, yeah, that's right. What do you think? Should we enter the trade right now? Taking chance can be an option, but I'm very scared these kind of coins, these kind of movements. Yeah, yeah, I'm not going to do that. Yeah, yeah, of course, that's totally normal, and that's I'm never gonna do that. But are you also on the other hand, you're taking like 100x leverage or okay? Oh, okay, good. Okay, that's good. 20x in this kind of moment, it's still very handsome amount of leverage with $500. Okay, good, but can be very risky. Very nice, very nice. I'm really happy for you. Wow. So you grabbed it on the right position, I think. It's really nice to hear. Wow, 125x. Okay. You see, I'm just taking 20x, not more than 20x leverage in any coin. I'm not like that much brave to take big positions. I'm just trying to get small profits. Yeah. I'm very, I'm very like, you know, I don't have that. much big heart to take a chance. You might not be married actually. I'm married, that's why I'm so much scared of taking chances. Might be. Wow, 60%, that's good thing. I'm really happy. If you're making something, that means you're getting something. Good, good. I'm really happy for you. Oh, wow. St- Okay, so good, good, good for you. You might be a warrior taking these kind of big chances. I also have two kids, but now I'm very scared of like taking risks. So, and because this is my now main income stream, so I don't want to lose anything. I cannot afford to lose anything. So, good enough for you, I think. Okay, that's a good thing. Okay, so all of there is a pump. Okay, good. That's good, brother. If you're out, I also want to close this trade. Or I am just $50 positive in all of them. Okay, I want to close all of the trade right now. I think BTC might be moving somewhere. Let's talk. Let's check about the BTC. Did BTC cross 90K mark? Yeah, BTC gave. Oh, see, that's a fall. That's not a good thing. I think we should close all the positions. See, all of them are just falling down again. See, what can we do? We can close. Okay. Okay, let it go, I think, for now. You got out at the right price, I must say. I don't want to actually close any position right now. At least now, I must say. Oh, see, that's a big fall. Wow. See, BTC is just dumping, trying to grab like grab the liquidity from the top and just fall down. What a big candle. What a big candle in BTC. All of my trades might be in red. No, one of them is just about to be in red, and the rest of them good. Yeah, yeah. See, all of my trades went red again. See the BTC dump. See. That's what I'm talking about. Let's talk about you. See what that's the one minute candle frame. So this is the moment we cannot judge. We cannot. Nobody can judge. Only the whales. They are pumping and dumping. Sometimes they grab the liquidity from there and falls down to there, grab the liquidity and clears the market and kick out the retailers from the market. So, and it's happening like in the history of trading. Bonk, HR, HBAR, and ARKM, all of my trades. You guys can see. So, did you open the long position in dusk, or what did you do? See this kind of like what is happening? Someone shitty guy is speaking something might be. So that's why. Okay, done. Not done. Okay. It's in spot. No, it's not listed, I think, on this exchange. No, it's here. Okay. Did you open the long position or short position? Like, what did you do? Uh, yeah, opening long can be a good option from here. Yeah, long. I think long you will be safe. That's a 15-minute. Yes, you might have grabbed the bottom of the day. Yeah, but it's not listed on this exchange, so I cannot check it from here. What the heck is going on? Uh, on dusk. Okay, let me check this one first. Actually, see what's going on. What's going on? BTC is just taking us down. So see, that's the BTC. That's BTC 1 minute candle. Let's see the funny candle, funny moment actually. Just grabbing the liquidities from top to bottom. People, I don't know why they just don't want us to trade. But okay, just gaining the momentum again. Am I getting something? No. All of my trades was like positive and like 30 $40, $30 each almost. And now they are two of them are negative and one is just $6. Okay, that's a funny thing actually. Uh, they were just showing like $30 each positive. No, this is what I always talk like. You should know where to stop actually. So all of them are just on the move to fall down. Okay. It's just because of BTC, the movement of BTC. Why it's happening? There's nobody's talking anything about anything. I don't know what's just going. Okay, just trying to grab the liquidity from the market. That's what BTC do always do. And okay, 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 okay. I think I will share the results of these trades after this live session in my WhatsApp channel. Um, okay, we'll see what will we get today. Guys, if you guys are new to my channel, you guys, and if you want to register yourself with the Albank exchange, there is a link in my bio as well. So you can click on the link and register yourself with this exchange. It's a good exchange. Will link with TradingView. There are multiple exchanges, uh, but this one, what I'm using is it's a good exchange. I'm using it right now, and making some money as well as not losing, but maybe getting stuck in some positions. Okay, so that's the movement of BTC, what we are witnessing right now, which is very bad movement. See the movement, see the movement of BTC. What is what's doing like? Hmm. Okay, let's see. The BTC is just giving us some lesson that you should book the profit, but that's what we did not did, and we just missed to book the profit, which was like $60, but now I think negative 30 $40. Okay. Yeah, almost $30. Okay. This is a good option. We can, what can we do? What can we do from here? Where is it going? Like, uh, the price of BTC is falling down, and so because it's dominating the market and taking all of them down again. So it always happens with BTC and altcoins, always. And why is it happening? There is no reason in yet on the news or anywhere else, or I might have missed something. Hmm, nothing special going on in the market. I'm not getting anything. 40. I just wanted to close all of my position. Now the market will be open like after 1 hour. The US market. It should not be the reason of falling this down. Let's see the moment. Okay, now I am in a very bad shape of all of my. Where's BTC? See, that's the moment of BTC, taking all of them down with it, and like people opening short positions are making money, might be making some money. What just happened with the H actually? That always moves against that. Uh, I really want to open another position in this one, but no. Actually, I think I already have opened like three positions. That's enough for today. I will share you the results. It's the temporary dump for sure because there is a big movement in BTC that's just leading the market with it. And what I think is that's the movement of BTC. That's a 1 minute time frame. And if we follow on 15-minute time frame, you see that's a big candle. And it happened like few hours back also and just gained the momentum against that. So yeah, I have a good hope for this one. Or maybe if this will fall down more, let's talk about 1 hour time frame. No, I don't think so that's gonna happen. This thing. So but that's the BTC, and anything can be happen. And if you guys want to join the Albank exchange, there is a link in my bio, so you can get yourself registered with that exchange as well. Upon registration, you will be given a 50 free USDT. That's a coupon. You can utilize that coupon for futures trading. I think you can open one position with that, and that's valid for 24 hours. So in 24 hours, how much money you can make on top of your position, that's the amount you can even withdraw in your account as well. So it's a free. Upon registration, you can just register yourself clicking on the link in my bio. So you don't need to actually 1996 at least within 24 hours. So Chand, my brother, you are just ready for long. Yeah, I already opened the long positions already. I'm stuck in three positions. I have a very good hope from here at least. This is the pre-market heat market movement actually. This is BTC chart. 1 minute, sorry. That's 5 minute. So my long positions are already stuck. See, all three of my positions are stuck. They were just like this amount in positive like 15 minutes back, but now they are in red. Okay, I will close these positions. Yeah, BTC will give us a good profit for sure. And there's a pullback. I think I should have to set my TP somewhere. I already have set up my TP just on in one trade. I will set my TP in all of my trades. I think session is already too much long now. Yeah, almost. So let's keep it continue maybe for 20-30 minutes more. I just want to close at least one position in front of you. So just did one already and want to grab another one. Maybe I would be able to make something over here. Okay. A little pullback, but not 100%. Yeah, I think my these trades uh will take a little bit more time. But I have a good hope for these one. If you want to get yourself registered with this exchange, click on the link in my bio. So you will be directed to register yourself to with this exchange. Thank you, Aditya, for so much likes and love. It's an honor for me. Yes, I have. I have took all of my three positions, long positions. I might be able to get something. I was in good profit, but I did not close. Even I should have to put my stop loss at my break even, but I just missed. No, no, I'm not doing BTC. I am just doing these three coins right now. These three positions: Bonk, H bar, and ARKM. I am from Pakistan, brother, just like you, I must say. But I'm living in Thailand since last more than 4 years now. So right now I'm in Thailand. Thank you, Aditya, brother, for so much like and love. It's an honor for me. Camera, you want to see my face? Really? I always start like the session showing my face. After the session, you can see my face. Even you can see my face in the screen. I think. Where is it? No? Okay. If you want to see outside, I can show you the downtown side of Bangkok as well. I'm from Pakistan, but I'm living in Thailand since more than 4 years now. So, yes. One of our followers just wanted to see, okay, just show me the downtown side. I'm on the back side of. Oh, great. So, so oh, wow, Sialkoti. We were having our agricultural land near to Daska, like back in like now I think 15 years back now, but my my father just sold that. Oh, thank you, Dita brother. Thank you so much. So nice of you. So nice of you. You might need some rest on your fingers now. Daska. That was Daska actually. That was the area. That was the I think what you call that district. We don't spend much time there. So I'm from Lahore actually, but our agricultural land was there. Okay, okay. That's the name of Sahuwala. Yeah. It's near to it's sub district might be not sub district. Actually, I'm living in Thailand. They are like Prakanong and something like that. So that's Sambrial, something like that. Sambrial and the village was Sahuwala. So that was the I'm not belonging from there, but my agricultural land was there. So we have just sold that out. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's near Sambrial. That's right. Yes, I think like 5-10 minutes drive from there. So yeah. BTC is still falling down. Okay, okay. And you see my positions are in a very bad shape now. But I'm not going to. Okay. Yeah, just holding time. You can send me your message in my private message in the group, so I will just share you my details. So you can join my WhatsApp channel as well, brother. It's in my bio, and get yourself registered with this exchange as well. That would be another favor for me as well. So if you can do that, thank you. Yeah, BTC. What do you think? Like what's going on with BTC now? I don't think so. Something big is going to happen. I was not expecting, but yeah, sure. Thank you. Okay. BTC is taking all of the coins down, and yeah, thank you so much. Same here. It's really nice to talk with you as well. Yeah, that's what I understand. That's what I understand. But I don't think so. Like it will fall down below like yeah 89,000 for now at least. But yeah, in 2 hours, not in 2 hours, just in 1 hour, maybe there is a meeting of Fed with announcing like what was that? Inflation rate maybe. So that could affect the market for very short period of time, but not much. I don't think so. Really? That's nice. That's nice. I would love to see your profile. Long on BTC now. I'm not doing BTC. I hate BTC. So I don't do trade on BTC. I'm just doing like uh, meme coins mostly. So BTC moves like 1% and meme coins moves like 10% on top of that. So they give you good profit. So you can take a chance to open the long position, but uh, if I were you, I would not take any chance on BTC. Yeah, we'll check that. Um, I used to spend like my summer vacations over there in our village, but my family was not from there. We had a land over there, or few of our relatives live there. So we spend our summer vacations over there in that village, like few days, maybe 5, 10 days. So it was nice there. I love that area. What's your opinion about Hana, Gansui, Bull or Bear trade? Right now, the market is very like moving sideways. We cannot even because I'm doing scalping for the long term for the swing trades. I must say you can BTC will decide at the weekend. Right now, we cannot confirm. If these coins are already on the lower side of it, their prices, you can just take a chance for opening the long positions. I have opened three positions which are long positions. Still, I'm just stuck. I got stuck. I was in all of these were positive like few minutes back, but all of these are negative right now. For short-term scalping, it's good. Uh, but I must say for swing trade, all of the meme coins and all coins are on the edge of pumping, I must say. If BTC will lose some dominance, then all season is on the door. So yeah, sure, it's really nice to talk with you. Yeah, sure, we'll talk on WhatsApp, sure. Uh, what? Okay, scalping. Okay, it's good. Okay. So for scalping, let me talk. Let me discuss. Hana Gansui. Okay. Uh, let's have a look on Hana if it's listed on this exchange as well. Sorry, Hana. Hana is not a coin. Okay, okay, no problem. It's all right. Sui, let's talk about Sui is one of the good projects, I must say. Um, see now every coin is moving along BTC. See that's the 1 hour time frame. And every coin moved like the same way BTC is just moving. Uh, Opening short. No. Okay, great. BitUnix. I'm using this one, Lbank. Hana is not listed here actually. But Sui is listed, of course. Uh, Actually, if we see 5 minutes time frame, if you catch the momentum and put your stop loss at break even, then that could be a good opportunity for you. But I think these kind of candles, I think we should wait at least for now. I have a very good. I just opened all even all of the coins are just moving along BTC. So if you see my trades, these three trades are stuck. They went well just like few minutes back, just like 30 minutes back. They were just like same amount in positive, but now they are negative because the BTC moved down to somewhere. Yeah, sure, I will contact with you, sure. So things just getting worse. Things are just getting ugly for now. But I have a very good hope. Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you, brother. Thank you. Um, yeah, same way I'm doing it. I most of the time I don't put my stop loss. Let me tell you my strategy. I take all those kind of coins which are already on the lower side of their prices. Uh, these coins, brother. You see these Bonk, H bar, and ARKM. Three coins. Now is the time, I think, but we are stuck in trades. Can take a chance to open the long position from here, but do your own research. Everybody who just want to follow these trades. I'm not an expert. Uh, So let me tell you my strategy. I try to open the position with very small margin, not even the 1% of sometimes my capital. Now let me tell you about this one. This one, you see, this is $200. This is $300. $300 is still not even the 1% of my capital. I have gained it, like I gradually increased my capital in a very big. This is just $100. So what my appetite of losing my capital is 2%. So if all of my trade goes wrong to 2% of my capital, then I will close all of them manually. Most of the time I do that. It happened with me like I think no preferably try to use 1% in a single trade. But not more than that. Just like this H bar, I have used $300. So just that's why I just try to make not opening much and keep another 1%. Just try to do for DCA if my trade got stuck. So yeah, that's what I do actually. And if things goes wrong, I accept the loss and stay away from the market specifically for that. And it happened with me like since last 1 year, I think five, six, maybe 7 times, not even the 10 times, not more than 10 times. So I accepted the loss, and DCA works very well. And I do DCA just for once, not doing DCA again and again and again. So that increases your position size, and that's the way you can lose your positions very quickly. Uh, uh, I don't call that thing. I don't call myself pro. When I don't call myself a good trader, I'm just a trader. I'm just trying to get something from the market. So I gained a good profit in the past year. The last year was very good profitable for me. I have made a lot and compound my capital. And while compounding my capital, I have gained a good profit. So now, even if I make 1%, that's good enough for me as well. For and making 15% or more than 10% is also good. Like most of the people are making money. So yeah, still H bar now. What thing? See, my trade is stuck. I took the long position in H bar, and it's negative $37. Actually, negative 12% right now. If I would be there, I will definitely take a chance to open any no any kind of like the coin which is moving like BTC movement. I would love to take the long position. I suggest you to do your own research. Just check first the moment. If you get the idea, then yeah, yes, you can take the chance. But if something goes wrong, please don't don't talk bad about me. So I'm just suggesting you to do your own research first. So taking the risk, yeah, risk management is the key, brother, and keep following your discipline. I knew my discipline like three. I started crypto futures 3 years back, more than 3 years back now. 2 years was getting losses, and this strategy, what I made like in very second year, but I was not following it. I was falling for every trade and just getting trades every time. Okay, okay, let's take a trade. Let's momentum is like very not tricky, even shitty right now. I must call that. It's very like things are just getting ugly. See the results of my trade. Okay, maybe I will send the result after the live session in my WhatsApp channel. So, or we can just discuss the results in tomorrow live session again. I will do that. Trump is just controlling the market, I must say. Trump is the only reason. They are just moving the market, taking money from all over the world. SKR, what's going on with that? I even don't want to see that. I might have lose it. It's new coin, but brother. I think SKR. Let's talk about that again. Uh, and then it's moving up. Oh, that's nice. Mhm. Mhm. This is 5 minute time frame, okay. But this is the highest mark I think is 5947. So trying to maybe cross that mark. Yeah, that's right. That's right. That's why. Thank you so much, Piece of Thrones. Thank you so much. Uh, that's what I always talk about. Crypto market is just moving according to speculations in the market and the rumors and the market. That's it. And this market manipulating. I must say they manipulate the market. So and we kind of traders just trying to grab small profit from the market. Well, I have seen like people making hell of money, and but they always follow their discipline. And if you grow your capital compounding by compounding every day, then sure you can, yes, you can make good money. Compounding is the key of wealth, and I just got to know about this last year, and thanks God, going very well. 30% win ratio. How we can win 30% win ratio? Means 70% of losing it? No. Or if we can just talk about 30% gain in capital in a month, 1/7. Yeah, I think it's good. It's very good. Uh, yes. Okay. The movement is crazy right now. These are my trades, which I'm stuck right now, but that's totally okay. Okay, I have to set my TP in this position already, and we'll set on the other. Okay. I think let me share my screen, bigger screen. So, brother, overall, you are like in positive or what is just happening? No, no, I'm in Thailand right now. I live in Thailand. My wife is Thai. My kids are Thai, so of course, because so I'm living in Thailand since last for more than 4 years. Okay, so SRK, will let it go for now. I don't want to miss this thing. Again, Bonk is just yeah, it's really lovely place. It's really lovely country to live in. It's really nice. Weather is not that good, but overall very peaceful country. Like I have never been like encountered with any kind of road rage and bad experience. Not even in the 4 years. Not even with the single person. Every person is like there are bad people all over the world, but I have never been into with anyone in my 4 years of life. So it's nice to live here. Yes. Weather is not good, but infrastructure is very well managed. Not that good, but well organized and well managed. So yeah. Okay. So you're still living in Sialkot, or you are, I think you mentioned that you are living in Melbourne? No? Okay, 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 okay. Things are getting ugly. So we are just hoping for the best. Uh, I have another account. I will open another position maybe. I will take a chance to open a long position. Uh, okay, okay. Still US. You still live there. Okay, okay, okay. Good. There might be a very dense fog nowadays. Is it right? It's a pullback. It's a pullback and bonk. Not in bonk. Yeah. Okay. Great. We really miss that weather in like Thailand, especially because it's like very hot all the year. So nowadays, still we are just using air cons. My aircon is on right now. The weather is hot over here. Oh, okay, okay. So that's a good thing for the crops as well, and for the I must say for the weather as well. People were just getting sick because of there was no rain. I came to know about that. Okay, good. So January 20. Yes, you can take a trade. Yes, you can if you want to. But do you want to trade right now? You want to get into any position, or you want to learn something? I don't understand what you're talking about. Okay, later on, what we have a pullback in the BTC can be a good option. Can give us okay. This is what we need. We need a little bit pullback from the market. Okay, and what's this happening here? Let me check that thing on my other screen as well. Oh, oh, 4 to 5 degrees. Yeah, it's very lovely weather. It might be a good weather. What I was just going to see. Okay. I have never experienced this kind of weather in Thailand. I miss this thing actually. Okay, so there's a little bit pull back, but we cannot rely on this thing that we can confirm. Okay, I think my trades are stuck, and I will share the results of these trades in my WhatsApp channel as soon as I close these trades. Um, yeah, I will. I'm planning to come Pakistan maybe in after 2 months. Maybe I will spend my Eid days over there with my family. So, but just planning, not sure. There are a few things to do here, so that's why maybe. So, yes. Um, yeah, inshallah. Yet I'm not doing any, I'm not sending any signals, but performing live trades nowadays. Maybe I will start doing that signals in like maybe from tomorrow or day after tomorrow, or maybe from Monday. I plan to do that, but I was unable to because I don't want, I'm just mastering my few trades. But if things, things get ugly, so people just try to talk bad about that. So I don't want anybody to talk bad about me. You can see my live session. You can understand the strategy, what I do, how I perform the trade. So no, no, I'm just doing tradings. That's all. That's all. So I will start doing right now. It's a good opportunity. You can take a long position, right? If you want to open a long position. Uh, but but see, my three trades are stuck. I cannot. I opened the long positions already. So if you want to check, like if you want to have a look on these trades, on these pairs, just have a look on these pairs and just you can just take a chance, but do your own research. I can just suggest you uh, the market move, but taking a chance is it's totally depends upon you. And if you want to take a risk in this kind of volatile market, just start use with very small leverage and small margin. So just try to grab small instead of losing all. So that's what I suggest. And if you need any help, just you can after the live session you can just send me a message in my private message. So I would love to respond to you on that as well. We are just building community. I have a very small community right now. So just trying to make a good community with the very selective people. So maybe we'll try to send few signals every day. So let me tell you my story. One of my friends just got me into futures trading. I started buying spot coin in spot in 2017. I created account on Cryptopia. That exchange went away, ran away actually. Took my 200K Pakistani. Well, and I bought two BTC on Binance at the price of 8K, 800. I think yeah, the price was what was that? $8,000 at the mark of yeah, at the price of $8,000 in 2017. I bought like two BTC and converted all two BTCs in my like all shit coins, like all meme coins, different kinds of Ripple, Cardano, XRP, XRP is Ripple. So yeah, there were multiple. Like I still have screenshot of my that portfolio somewhere in my gallery. So oh, that's bad. That's bad. And that exchange just went away. No, 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 MJ bro, I don't want to check SKR. It's funny thing. I think let's talk about it. So I'm telling you. So BTC went to $22,000 at that time, and I just waited for my portfolio went up also, but I did not sold anything, so I just kept it. Okay, this is my investment, and let's keep it continue. I still remember I bought XRP at the price of I think 50 cents at that time, 49, 50 cents, somewhere around there. So, but now, but converted all of them and all these coins. So, so market fall down to like $3,000. BTC went down to somewhere around $3,000. So this coin is going crazy. We will talk if this one crosses this resistance. So, so I was in spot. My total portfolio was in spot. So I was technically I was not in loss because I was not selling anything. So I just kept it on my wallet, and then just in 2020, I think the market pulls gained the momentum, and I sold all of my portfolio or just above a very very small amount of on near to my break even. So I just stayed away from the market. I was not doing anything. Then I moved to Thailand, and one of my friend here in Thailand, he knew about futures. He asked me, okay, do you do futures? I said no, I don't. I have like few things in my spot. No, no, no. Let to start doing futures and do it. It's a good thing, but you can lose as well. So first day I added $10 and just made $1 on top of that. I was very happy. Okay, that's easy to make money. So yeah, no, no, no. In spot, you don't give it to market. You can keep it to up to you. If the exchange doesn't run away, and so I just sold all of that on break even. Okay, so for the futures, when I added $10, I just made $1. Okay, that means 10% gain in just a single trade. Wow, that's a good thing. So I just started putting some money, and but I was not. I did not know anything about futures. So he just told me, okay, this is margin, this is leverage. You should use this leverage and this and that. So that was the thing. And I wiped out my wallet like maybe 50 times. So I was unable to get like what's the reason? Like what the hell I'm doing? Where the hell I'm wrong? So yeah, see, I have just opened SKR, so it's still open. It's going up, up. Let's make it on 1 minute time frame. So this will be funny to see. Okay, so so then I just realized, okay, something is wrong. What's wrong? People are making money, then why I'm losing money? So I just made a discipline, just set my target. Yeah, yeah, every new we do that. So I also lost a lot and start, but I was having another work to do. But I was getting some money from there and just putting that all of most of the money in my futures. So I was losing a lot. Then I just realized, okay, that's not gonna work. So I just made 0. You think so? It will go to that mark? Yeah, sure. There are good chances. Let's keep it open. So So then I just made a discipline, and after after losing 2 years of my time, I just gained that. Okay, so keep yourself low, keep margin low, keep the leverage low, and just compound your capital and make that amount of money at that percentage of your capital every day. So, yeah, yeah, that's happening. That's everybody has have had been what token is it? This one is SKR. This one is SKR, which is just going, which is just newly launched coin, which is very volatile. Just be safe. So yes, I just then I was just realizing, okay, that's not gonna happen, and so I just started making just now I'm making or try to make 1%, which is like very good enough for me. So I have seen people just telling people, okay, it's okay, just you can double your capital just in a single day, or yes, people are doing it. Good. You are still opening, you have still opened a position. Okay, good. You just mentioned that you are just okay. That's good thing. It's good to know. So how much you made in this trade? How much? Okay, tell me how much percentage you have made. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, what kind of help you need? Okay. Wow, that's great. Yeah, Ali bro, I will let you know about just for scalping. Just catch the momentum and just follow the momentum more than 300. That's great. That's great. 300%. It's very good. So, Ali bro, actually, let me tell you, if you just grab the momentum in short-term scalping, for short-term scalping, how does it works? It works well on just if you catch the momentum, follow the RSI, and just take the trade. Most of the time, it works very well. Today, I just got stuck in like three trades because the BTC was moving. The big movements can just kick you away from the market. So use very small margin, use very small leverage, as well as just try to grab the momentum. Let me tell you, this coin for volatile coins, just leave the volatile coins. Try to catch those kind of coins which are just moving like somewhere. Let's talk about this coin. These kind of movements. What you need to do is Set your time frame to 5 minutes or maybe 15 minutes. 5 minutes is good enough, and 15 minutes are better for like safe movements. How you catch the moment? Let me tell you. Let's talk about 5 minutes. Okay. For scalping, of course, you must know like you have to just close your trade in a very quick, but you make money. Yeah, yeah. That's for newbies. I'm just telling about for the new. If somebody's new and just want to make some money, so that's what I'm talking about. In volatility, of course, if you follow the momentum and just grab it and just like you have made a good 300%, which is good. I'm very happy for you. So if you follow the momentum, just catch the momentum and just if it's going long, just open a position and just keep following that and move your yeah, yeah, it's good for newbies to open the swing trade and wait for the right time to close the trade because I have seen like people I know few people they were just starting doing futures and after losing like few percent of their like not losing just after seeing very few percent of their negative balance they were just okay, no, no, we are losing everything. So I think that's not a that's great, that's great, it's good to know. 15 seconds candle. 15 seconds candle. Wow, you are very very like you might be very good trader. So brother, yeah, yeah, I understand. Okay, trading view has you can check. Okay. So, brother, I will start doing copy trading as well, maybe in like upcoming days. I'm just planning to do that because my track record is good enough for that. So, but these kind of trades, because I have a good capital, I can protect myself to get liquidated, or on the other hand, just close your trade on the, okay, 5 minutes on H is also in the favor of I will open a long position in this one again. I just want to open a long position. Let's see if I would be able to get. Actually, my all of my three trades are in a very bad shape right now. You 1% with 1% of with maximum leverage. Hmm. Brother, if you want to recover your losses, uh, just try to learn it first. I must say, Sami bro, um, why you are losing it. You just figure it out. So I don't I if you have a very big portfolio, just try to use small leverages. Yes, if you can take a chance if you have small portfolio, but please, brother, please put that money you can afford to lose. And if you are losing it, just figure out what's wrong you are doing. That's what I have been through. Oh, that's very bad, brother. No problem. You will learn it someday. We are here to guide you. So how much money you have lost? This is what happened with the new guys. Even I have been through this, brother. No problem. You will have control on your emotions. First of all, for trading, for you should have emotional control on yourself. If you are not having it, you cannot do trading. That's not for you. FOMO is the baddest thing in crypto market. So it just just gives you panic. Okay, let me tell you one strategy. If you want to make some money, very basic thing, very basic thing. Just set your target and try to grab those kind of coins which are already on the lower side of their prices. Just like this coin is not on the lower side. Let's talk about another coin. uh Truth is also on. Yeah, let's talk about truth. For example, this coin, for this is for example, just don't get into any trade. You see 1 day time frame. It's no it, it's not on the lower side of its price right now. For nowadays, let's talk about another pair. Oops. Oh, let's talk about another pair. Just find out the any coin. Let's talk about H bar. Sorry, my internet is just not working very well. You see, this is 1 day time frame. This is 1 day time frame. See the movement. It's just falling down. But right now, it's already on the lowest side of its price. It's already on no, not the lowest side. Not you just do a little bit back test. Check the lowest price. No, leave this coin as well. Okay. Let's find out Aster. Okay. Okay. This is also a newly listed coin, not very much new, but like 3 4 months back. This one is all also on the lower side. If you want to do a short-term scalping, these kind of coins can give you a good profit. Just do 5 minute time frame, check the momentum, and open the long position. Whenever you get the opportunity to open the long position, just open the long position with minimum leverage and with minimum margin. Use 10x max, or maybe if you want to make uh like good profit, so just you can use 15x, but try to use not 5% of your capital. If you have like small money in your account, don't use that. Don't use big capital. So let me tell you a story of one of my friends. He started doing trading like almost 15 20 days back from now. He added like 100K PKR, and I told him, okay, just be safe and follow the things what I am telling you. These 2 3 basic things you need to just work on. Trade the coin which are already on the lower side of their prices. Set your target, set your daily target, and close every trade daily. And close every trade daily. You don't have to open any position and keep it away all the night, and just that can get stuck for fewer days. So now he have made like another 100K dollar PKR on top of that, just in I think 20 days. So and he even didn't know about the spelling of crypto. So even that kind of layman can make the profit. I was guiding him, okay, these kind of coins, this is the coin you can open the long. I'm just suggesting him not open the short position, because he was asking, okay, what is the short position? He still even didn't know about that, but he doubled his capital, and I have asked him to withdraw his capital to his bank account, and half of that he has just withdrawn in his bank account, and half of that is because I have seen like people are just falling for, oh, making 10,000 dollar every day, $5,000 every day, $1,000. Don't fall for that, brother. That's just a trap. So be safe, be safe, play safe, so you will make money, but compound it. Don't lose it. And that's the basic thing, very basic thing. Just follow it, follow the pattern, follow your strategy, follow your keep your emotions control in the trading. I have seen like people do DC again and again and again. They are just increasing their positions and losing all of their money just in one trade. That's nobody's just telling them that they are doing wrong. So just be safe, play safe, and even you just set your profit of daily, that percentage of amount you want to increase in your capital, and as well as accept the loss as well. Not every day is a trading day. You are not making money every day. So either you make or you lose, or sometimes you don't. You just close your trades on break even sometimes. So just consider that. Don't follow those kind of people. They are showing like 500% of profit. They are just opening position with $1 and using 100x leverage. Of course, 100x means they are just making maybe $1 to $2, $3, $5, $10. but it shows like 1,000% of profit. Okay, don't fall for that. That's that's a trap. So yeah, just make a discipline and keep follow your discipline. When you keep following your discipline, you will recover your money as well. So it's easy to make. So these kind of coins, what I'm talking about, yes, you can take a chance to open the position. 1 hour, okay. I have another. So if you guys need to ask anything, so you guys can ask me anything. If you want to make account on any exchange, so this is the exchange I'm using right now. Create a link in my bio. You can click on the link. So you will be given a 50 free USDT upon registration. That's the money you can, yeah, you can use to perform a future trade. Uh, and the money on top of that, you can just withdraw that money in your account as well. So I think let's close the session right now. I will share you the results. BTC is just falling down and taking everything down. Yes, BTC is going down. So BTC is just trapping the sellers and we are just buying it. No problem. We will wait until the trades will close. Okay, I will share you the results in my WhatsApp channel. Please follow my WhatsApp channel. There's a link in my bio. Just one link, and if you click on that link, there are four links in link tree. So you can just join my WhatsApp channel, my YouTube channel, my TikTok is also there, and moreover, this exchange link is there, referral link. So you guys can click on that and register yourself on there. So thank you so much, guys, for being online with me and giving me some time. It was not a good day for trading, but it was good to talk with you guys. But I have a good hope for all of my trades. I will share you the results of all of my trades in my WhatsApp channel. See you guys tomorrow at the same time, hopefully. And we will try to perform the trade again, hopefully. And if things will go good, if all of my trades will be in positive, I will show you the results. Otherwise, I will not perform any trade live tomorrow. Maybe, but I will come online to talk with you guys and talk about the market updates later on. So thank you so much. If you need to ask anything, yes, you can just write me in the comment section. Then we will just close the session. Okay. BTC, what's the hell is doing, bitch? Okay, I'm not in a very bad shape, but let's see where does it takes. Okay, everybody, thank you so much for giving me some time. It's an honor to spend time with you guys. See you guys tomorrow, inshallah. Okay, bye bye.